Should juvenile rapists be tried as adults? The debate has been reignited by Women and Child Development Minister Maneka Gandhi.
Well, the Union Minister issued a statement saying that she'll ensure accused persons above the age of 16 are tried in regular courts, seeking a clear distinction for those who commit premeditated crime. Here's a special report.
Is it time to stop treating juvenile criminals with kid gloves? Can we expect a 17-year-old tormentor who inflicts the ultimate brutality on a helpless child or woman to reform at a correctional facility?
We are changing the law to, in fact, I'm working on it personally, and I will see that it is changed to bring 16-year-olds into the purview, because according to the police, 50% of all sexual crimes are 16-year-olds who know the JJ Act, Juvenile Justice Act, so they can do it. But now if we, for premeditated murder, for rape, if we bring them into the purview of the adult world, then it will scare them.
Maneka Gandhi has reignited the debate. Even as juvenile criminals and their sheer brutality rise, will punishment harden them? Isn't the escape to a juvenile home actually a sign that he has managed to evade the law? And can the Indian reform homes provide the right environment for any child? Does India need to repeal the law or take the middle path? Follow America and Britain's case, where special cases get special consideration in special courts. A nation's conscience was hit by the December 16 Delhi gang rape, but that hasn't deterred the beast or curbed sex crimes. What will it take to rein in this beast that is not even fully grown yet officially? Approaching adulthood, but having had lost the innocence of a child. Who are these men, adults or children? It is time to revisit this grey area. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Maneka Gandhi's comments have reignited a debate that hit headlines after the gruesome Delhi gang rape case.
Well, this issue was discussed on Center Stage last night. Here are some of the excerpts.
Given what happened in the Nirbhaya case of December the 16th, given the anger and outrage that's built up against juveniles who commit such gruesome crimes all across the country, it seems India, sir, is at a level where people out on the street believe that the time has come to de-link age from punishment. You still are amongst the people who believe that juveniles should not be treated as adults when it comes to punishment. Why do you hold this view, given the fact that now even the minister says the time has come to change the law?
If you want to convert the child into an adult, then you have to really convert completely. The child should have a right to defend also. In that sense, reduce the age of adulthood from 18 years to 16 years. Let the child become an adult. Let the child be tried by an adult.
You're saying change the age of adulthood? But in the current scenario, there is a problem, Shaina NC, because India is a signatory to the United Nations Child Right Convention, which has fixed the age of a juvenile at 18. Now, given the fact that you're part of an international convention, Maneka Gandhi cannot pull through what she's suggesting, even though it's a populist thing to want to do. India, because it's a signatory to this UN convention, cannot do this.
Well, let me put things into perspective, Rahul. First, if a child, so-called child who is 16 to 18, acts like an adult criminal and rapes, molests, murders, isn't it a heinous crime which needs to be debated upon? Isn't it a crime where he needs to be given a punishment which is so befitting that it turns into a deterrent for all the others who are sitting on the fence?
I think it's important to understand that criminal responsibility should be fixed 10 onwards. If it is heinous crime, looking at the nature of crime, severity of crime, you have to fix that responsibility and accordingly the punishment will follow. I think the discussion is about hardened criminals who are below 18 and who are really committing serious crime. You have to try them normally, because we are very, very concerned about children, and we are very concerned about police really catching any child and making the child accept that the child has committed the crime. This is about police, and we all know about that. And we know that you cannot base a law on aberration. I think there is need for a minor change, just one amendment to Criminal Justice the Juvenile Justice Act, that you have to treat any 18 between 12 and 18 or 10 and 18. I think if it is a nature of crime, will have to be considered.